Welcome to Minimal Earth Life. In this video, we know about easy steps to start living sustainably. Across our planet, life teems with intricate beauty and delicate balance. Yet the ecosystems that sustain us face unprecedented challenges. The air we breathe, the water we depend upon, all bear the weight of human impact. But there is hope. Small changes, when adopted by many, can blossom into a wave of positive change. This film serves as your guide, offering practical steps towards a more sustainable way of life. Let's explore how, together, we can ensure a brighter future for generations to come. Our modern world is awash in a tide of waste, a stark reminder of our consumption habits. But within this challenge lies an opportunity. By becoming more mindful of what we use and discard, we can stem the flow. Recycling is vital. Paper, plastic, glass, and metals, when properly sorted, can find new life. The true power lies in reducing our reliance on single-use items. Plastic bags, disposable cutlery, and excessive packaging all contribute to a growing problem. Composting offers a simple yet profound solution. Food scraps, yard waste, even paper products can be transformed into nutrient-rich soil. By embracing these practices, we minimize our impact and participate in a circular economy. Let us strive to leave behind a legacy of responsibility, not refuse. The hum of our modern lives is powered by an often invisible force energy. Simple changes within our homes can make a world of difference. Energy-efficient appliances pay dividends over time, both financially and in terms of reduced energy consumption. Unplugging chargers, turning off lights, these small acts add up to significant savings. Consider the source of your energy as well. Renewable sources like solar and wind power offer a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. Every watt saved is a step towards a brighter, cleaner future. Sustainability isn't about drastic overhauls. It's about weaving mindful choices into our everyday lives. Consider your daily commute. Can you walk or bike instead of driving? Public transportation offers a more sustainable alternative. When you must drive, carpooling lessens your impact and fosters a sense of community. Simple choices, like opting for a reusable water bottle over single-use plastic, can make a difference. Carrying a reusable bag for your groceries, saying no to plastic straws, these small acts speak volumes about our commitment to a healthier planet. Sustainability isn't a destination, but a journey. It's about making conscious choices that reflect our values and contribute to a more sustainable future. In a world dominated by single-use items, embracing reusable products stands as a powerful act of defiance. Consider the humble shopping bag. A single plastic bag can take hundreds of years to decompose. A reusable bag becomes a symbol of conscious consumption. The same principle applies to countless other items. Reusable water bottles, coffee cups, food containers, even cloth napkins, all contribute to a culture of reuse. Embracing reusable products is about making a conscious choice, a commitment to investing in items designed to last. Every time you choose reusable, you're casting a vote for a more sustainable future. In today's global marketplace, our purchasing power holds immense influence. Supporting sustainable brands means aligning our spending with our ethics. It means seeking out companies that prioritize environmentally friendly practices, ethical sourcing, and fair labor standards. Look for certifications like Fair Trade, Organic, and B Corp, which indicate a commitment to social and environmental responsibility. Research the brands you support, delve into their supply chains, and understand the impact of your purchases. Every dollar spent is an investment, not just in a product, but in the kind of world we want to create. Let's use our purchasing power to support businesses that share our values and are working towards a more sustainable future. In a world increasingly detached from the natural world, there's something profoundly grounding about growing your own food. Starting a garden, even a small one, offers a multitude of benefits. It reduces our reliance on industrially produced food, minimizes transportation emissions, and provides fresh, nutritious produce. If space is limited, even a few potted herbs or vegetables on a windowsill can bring a touch of nature indoors. The act of nurturing life fosters a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things. Gardening isn't just about growing food, it's about cultivating a connection with the earth. Knowledge, as the saying goes, is power. Educating ourselves about the environmental challenges we face is the first step towards finding solutions. Stay informed about climate change, pollution, deforestation, and other pressing issues. Read books, watch documentaries, follow reputable environmental organizations, and engage in meaningful conversations. The more we understand these challenges, the better equipped we'll be to address them. Talk to your friends and family about sustainability, share what you've learned, and inspire them to make changes. Encourage sustainable practices in your community, support local initiatives, and be a voice for change. By educating ourselves and others, we can create a ripple effect of awareness and action. Every action, no matter how small, has the power to make a difference. The choices we make each day, the products we buy, the energy we consume, all contribute to the health of our planet. Embrace reusable products, reduce your waste, conserve energy, support sustainable brands, grow your own food, and never stop learning and sharing your knowledge. The future of our planet rests on the collective actions of billions. Together, let us be the generation that chooses a path of sustainability, ensuring a brighter, healthier future for generations to come. Thanks so much for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And hey, if you know someone who'd appreciate this topic, share it with them. Let's spread the message together.